What's going on, everybody? My name is Ferdinand Gonzalez and welcome back to my channel. So today is a special video. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is my cutting grocery haul video. So let me show you guys what I got today. That was so illiterate. What I just got today from my grocery haul. So I'm cutting right now. I'm trying to lose some weight, trying to really cut down the fat. Really trying to get my diet back on track. So right now I just got some middle of the road clean eating type of food. I didn't really go full on clean eating. I'm still like transitioning to this cup fully. I'm eating well, eating clean. I just need to like maybe transition from red meats to I'll talk about it later. Anyway, let's just get right into this fucking haul. Started off with some green jalapeno peppers right here. Fresh jalapeno peppers. I got a shit ton of them. Now, this isn't really like any like fucking health food or anything. Just another fucking vegetable. What this helps with is whenever you're eating like bland chicken breast or fucking like meat, you just put some jalapeno peppers in there that'll help you out and help you like help the food taste better. Especially like hot food, jalapenos are the best, and that's pretty much what I love. I love hot food, guys. Like I'll eat hot food for every meal of the day, and I don't even care. Like I love it, even though if it makes you feel worse, like when you're fucking taking a shit. Next vegetable I got right here are these vegetables? Are these fruits?
Fruits.
Fruits?
I believe so.
Avocados are fruits? Whatever.
Fruits.
I got avocados. And I only got avocados so whenever I'm eating like a turkey burger or like a beef burger, I replace my mayonnaise, or whenever I'm eating a sandwich, I replace my mayonnaise with avocados. And not that much avocado. You do not need that much avocado. Avocados have a lot of fat in them. Not a lot, but they have like fat in them. So you just need a little bit of avocado, put it in replacement of the mayonnaise, and you'll save a lot of calories and also be somewhat healthy. Avocados are not really bad for you. You just need to track them and make sure you're counting your shit on a scale. This isn't really for me. These are tortillas though. You already know, man, we're Latinos, we eat tortillas. What? Why are you shaking your head? Is that racist?
No.
Oh, okay, it's not racist?
No.
Fuck it. The macros are alright on this. Let's see. One tortilla is 50 calories and only 10 carbs. Like, if you need to get some carbs in your day, it's fucking eat some tortillas. It isn't that bad. Tortillas are like a more starchy carb, so if you guys are like considering like, I can't eat starch or shit like that, then you probably won't like that, but I don't really care about that shit. I think all macros are the same in my opinion, unless you're eating straight up like candy and shit. But, you know, whatever. And it's not personal, dude.
I know.
I'm such a bitch.
Damn it. I would say no because I don't like tortillas.
Huh?
I don't like tortillas.
You don't like tortillas?
I hate them.
For real? Why, dude?
It tastes like nothing.
But like, they're like a perfect scoop for your food. Like, you know, when you eat eggs, or like, you don't eat tortilla with eggs?
No.
What is wrong with you, dude? Or like when you cut up the tortillas and you put it in your eggs and you scramble it? You don't do that?
No.
Chilaquiles?
Chilaquiles, yeah.
That's the same shit. You're a fucking idiot. Alright. So the next fruit I got right here are some mangoes. Mangoes and oranges are my favorite fruit. And my whole family loves mangoes, so I decided to just get some mangoes for us so we could like, you know.
I don't really like chilaquiles.
Hey man, we're off that subject already.
Right.
We don't gotta talk about chilaquiles no more, right? Alright. So I got some mangoes. Alright. Might as well get these out of the way right here. I got some 2% milk. I love milk. Like, I don't know, people don't like milk, but I could drink this whole gallon in like 2 days and be fine. Like, I love milk. I love it.
What was that, dude?
Shut the hell up, dude. Okay, so I got some 0-calorie green tea right here. I love green tea. I love fucking Arizona green tea, and the 0-calorie green tea just say the same thing as the Arizona green tea in my humble opinion. It's just 0 calories, and you know, when you're eating and trying to cut, really, you don't want to be drinking your calories. That's the easiest way to go above your calories. And I don't suggest drinking fucking Diet Pepsi, Diet Coke, or anything really diet, or like the 0-calorie stuff, because there's like studies that say that makes you hungrier over time. Not hungry over time, hungrier than you would be if you didn't drink it. But I love this green tea, and I tend to like feel good after I drink it. Like I don't feel hungrier or want like other stuff. This just kind of quenches my thirst. So if you guys love green tea and need some 0-calorie shit, Arizona's 0-calorie green tea is the best, in my humble opinion. That's like the second time I say that. Humble opinion. I'm not humble. Okay, this is a bit like a snack right here. I got some water crackers. And if you guys know what water crackers are, then you haven't an idea why I need them. I'll probably get to that later. Put them right here. Some chaps. Okay, look. My lips get really fucking chapped. You guys probably tell me watch my videos. Need a chapstick.
Yeah.
How the fuck did that happen, dude?
Oh no.
Oh damn! All right. Some mayonnaise and some mustard. Now, guys, you gotta be fucking generous with this. You can't be like, oh, just pour mayonnaise all over some shit. Not mayonnaise. Did I say mayonnaise and mustard?
You did say mayonnaise.
I mean ketchup and mustard. Oh fuck. Let's see. So look, there's 53 servings and there's 20 calories per serving. What's 20 times 50? It's 1,000, right?
I don't know.
Is it? 20 times 50. Hold on. What's 20? I don't want to be like an idiot right now, dude. 20 times 50. So what's 10 times 50? That's 5. It's 1,000 calories. So there's 1,000 calories in this fucking bottle. So you really gotta consider where your calories are at when you're fucking putting mayonnaise on your burgers and your sandwiches or whatever the fuck you put mayonnaise. Ketchup on. Why do I keep calling it mayonnaise? I'm such an idiot. Fuck, dude. 0 calories in mustard. So put as much mustard as you want. Honestly, guys, personally, I love mustard. I know people don't like mustard that much, but I fucking love it. And I'll put it on everything. Everything. Specifically
Corn dogs.
You already know what I was gonna say.
I know.
Fuck out of my head, bitch. Oh shit, I'm in the back over here. Okay. So here are my cheeses. Now, if you guys know what I'm gonna get those crackers for, it's because I'm gonna whenever I want a snack or something, or like I haven't reached my caloric fucking baseline yet. I'll eat some cheese and crackers. Cheese, crackers. Where's my salami at? I got some salami. I don't know. It's probably in the bag. Here's my cheese. Okay, and then here's my cheese for my sandwiches. This is my favorite cheese right here, Tillamook. My cameraman Kevin says they make good ice cream, but I don't need ice cream because I'm not a fat ass. So, Tillamook right here. I love sharp cheddars, that's why I got it. Like, they didn't have like the sandwich type of sharp cheddar. They had it only shredded, so I just bought it like this so I can put it on my burgers. I ate a Polish pork kielbasa. This is good whenever you're eating like your eggs in the morning. The macro is also really good on this one. I don't know if you can see it. Is it really good? You see it well?
Let me focus. No, it's alright.
Yeah, fuck it. The macros are really good on this. It's only 14 grams, or see, let me see that shit. I'm gonna kill that dog. There's 13 grams of fat in it, 7 grams of protein, and how many carbs? I don't really see the carbs. And it's a little bit of calories, guys. I need to fucking find the macros. I might put it up somewhere. And I got 2 of those because I eat a lot of eggs. And I always need some other type of protein with me. Here's more cheese. Oh, these aren't mine. These are for my family. These are just beef hot links. My dad loves these, so I just got it for him. Here are some burger patties. Now, usually I get the 93%, 7% fat burger patty, but they didn't have any. So I got 85%. I'm not really happy about this. It's like the macros are pretty fucked up. But again, I'll probably eat these like shit, like 1 burger a week or some bullshit like that. Cause I'm not really happy where the macros are at with that. And that's not really like cutting food. So I guess some of my family will eat it and it'll be fine. Oh, necessity for any bodybuilder. I think the eggs are all fucked up. I need to fix the eggs. Here's some eggs. What happened?
They messed up?
Are they cracked?
I don't know, you tell me.
Ooh. Yeah, here's some eggs, guys. Again, you guys know if you guys are bodybuilders or fit anywhere into fitness, you know eggs are very important. Here's some fucking burger bread. Sesame burger bread. Now on to my favorite stuff. Let me show you. Now, I shop at Rouse, so they don't really have a good selection of meat. But I went in there and I saw these New York strips. Look at that. Look how thick that is. I love steak, guys. Like, I love fucking steak. I don't love fucking steak. I love steak. I don't fuck steak. I just like it. You know what I mean? So the steak is really good, guys. Let's see, New York strips right here. I'll make a cooking video today, so you're gonna see me cook these. So look forward to that. If I didn't already post it before this video. This video is probably gonna go first. Here's some other, what are these? More New York steak? Yeah, New York strip steaks right here. Some ribeye steak. There's a lot of fat on it, guys, so you gotta be really careful when eating this. Make sure your macros are on point if you're gonna eat some steak. I got some organic free-range chicken breast tenders. I prefer the tenders over the actual breast just because they cook faster and they're a bit easier to make. So I bought some tenders right here. I'll probably be eating this today as well. Sorry about my dog. And let's see what else is here. I got some salami and some prosciutto. Prosciutto. What else did I got? Hold on. I already put some away. Here's another food, guys, that is super important. Whenever you're really hungry and need a snack, get some rice cakes. Let me show you guys the macros. 80 calories, 20 grams of carbohydrates, 0.5 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein. This is good if you're trying to reach your carbs. You're really low on carbs, you're trying to hit your macros. Eat some of these because they're really macro friendly, guys, and I think they're really important. They're not really like, that's how you say, fucking fattening, you know what I mean? And you can eat a bunch of these and still be pretty good in terms of macros, so right here, guys. And yeah, here's my grocery haul for today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like the video. Leave a dislike if you don't like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions or have any suggestions or have any questions about my diet, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a question, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a dislike. I don't give a fuck. I need to stop cursing. I'll probably bleep this shit out. I probably won't. I always get lazy when I'm like, I say I'm gonna bleep something out. I remember there was one video I did a very long time ago where I was like, I'll bleep something out. And I bleeped out the first curse word. And then I realized I cursed way too much. And I didn't bleep anything out anymore. Only one word. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Peace out.